Lots of gift for Zachary. I go Zachary, open it. Oh, and Cedric, nice gift for Cedric. Oh, Cedric.
That's for me.
I know.
Open it.
Cedric, nice Cedric. Come on, open one, Zachary.
Come here.
That's letter.
Nice Cedric. Open,
Look,
Cedric.
it's your Santa.
I don't want over there. Can you come over there so I can see him?
No, open it.
Open.
Open.
There you go.
Open it. Merry Christmas.
What's inside? Open. Let's see. What's inside? What's inside? Wow.
Nice.
Nice.
Ooh.
Wow. Ooh. A shirt? Let's see. What does it look like?
Wow. Go,
Did you see what your Lolo gave you? So
Oh, nice.
Wow. Nice.
Wow.
Nice.
Who's that
Yeah. Who's that for? Read it.
For Zachary.
From Chloe. Oh, Chloe gave you a gift. Open it. Let's see. What is it? Up.
Well, Chloe and Cedric.
Oh, Chloe gave you that. Thank you, Chloe.
Likes it.
You like that one?
Honey. Come on, open it.
What's inside?
Open it, hurry.
Look. Good.
There. Wow. Chloe.
What's this?
Chloe. Oh.
Nice.
Oh, nice car. Wow, nice car. She bought him a small car.
Open it. You want me to open it? Later. Look, open that one. Go.
Oh my God.
Big one.
Big.
Okay.
The book? Wow.
That.
Oh, nice book.
Nice.
Gingerbread. Let's see. Let me show me.
I see the snowman.
Show Lola. Let me see.
Ok, prends un gros cadeau là. Allez.
Hurry up. Big. Oh my gosh, what's a big one? No, the big one.
This is for Cedric. That one's not for you. Ah, this is for Zachary.
That's for me. Uh-oh.
What's this? Zachary.
Oh, Zachary.
Zachary. Vas-y.
Oh, Zachary. There, go from Grandpa.
Tiens.
That's from Mama and Dada. Mommy and Daddy. Oh. So dainty when he's he just not like the other kids. Oh, what? Oh. Let's see, hurry, open. That's what I want for Christmas.
What do you want, Mom?
Wow. Not yet. Wait.
Naman destroyed it.
Not like that.
Okay, easy.
Remove it in the box.
Wow. A choo-choo train.
The choo-choo!